Hey guys, this is Rob from the main track. Just wanted to give a little update and let you guys know that we're headed out on our overlanding trip. We're going to meet up with a couple friends that were actually, we have made them partners with us. So we're headed there to meet up with them, and as soon as we get there, we'll let you guys know. All right guys, so we just met up with Ty and Amanda. They got their kids with them, but we're gonna head down through the road here. We're gonna hopefully get to some road where we can actually break through some trail, maybe get stuck. Yeah. But we'll get back to you guys when we get down there and hopefully actually get on some trail. Thanks.
Make a road till we get to the top at least.
Yeah.
Western Main Breaking Trail.
Hey guys, this is Rob from the main track. Just wanted to thank my sponsors, W Energy, Mexico Pawn and Gun, and Hair by Heather. So as you guys just seen in the video, we did a whole lot of overlanding, four-wheeling. It took us quite a bit to get up into where we were. We had a good time, you know, we really did. We were with Amanda and Ty there, so like I said, they're new partners to the main track. And we had all of our kids with us. They had a couple of their kids with them. So we will definitely be going back out again this weekend. You guys can see those videos that we posted up at some point next week. I am going to put this video at the end of all the other ones there, so you guys will see this afterwards. But this is Rob from the main track. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you guys do want any of the merch that we are selling, we're selling t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, hats, stocking hats. If there's anything that you guys would like to have, please let us know. You guys can comment on the videos. You guys can get a hold of us at the main track. You can get a hold of us at the main track Facebook, or you can get a hold of me on my regular Facebook, which is Rob Jameson on Facebook. But I appreciate all you guys' support. We're at 95 subscribers right now. When we get to 100, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So just let us know. Thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.